Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We're going to make another card today. It's going to be a slimline card and we're going to do some no line coloring. I'm using the box of the month for June, Mermaid Friends. We have a handful of boxes left, so I'll have the link in the description box for you. You can still grab one. For my slimline card base here, I took out my circle stackable dies and I created a little pattern so it looks like bubbles. I used the slimline paper from the kit and it's got some beautiful designs in there. And then for underneath my bubbles, I'm going to do a distress ink background. So I'm just taking different blues and then I'll be splattering on some sprays. Before I splatter my sprays, I'm going to take my water sprayer and spritz the background so it gives it that bleached out look. I think that looks really cool, especially for underwater scenes. I just grabbed an assortment of different sprays. I'm going to put my little panel here in a spray box so I don't get it all over the place. And I'm just going to tap, tap, tap away and do different splatters. So I think this looks really cool, especially when you get that dark, vibrant color against your ink blended background. I think that looks super fun. I did take my rag and dabbed a little bit. That'll just give it a different texture on my panel there. And then I added double-sided tape to the back to glue down my acetate panel. And then I added my double-sided foam tape so I can have some lift so I could create a shaker card. We are doing all things with this card today. A shaker card, we're doing ink blending, we're doing slimline card, we're doing no line coloring, so lots of fun in this card. So I'm going to stamp out all my images. This is from the Hugs and Fishes stamp set and the You Are Mermazing stamp set. So you can also pick up these two stamp sets individually, so they are sold separately as well. So the links will be in the description box if you're interested in the stamp sets. Now I'm using this new no line coloring Be Creative ink from Honeybee Stamps. Now this is in the shop, so I'll try to remember to link it in the description box for you. This is new to me as well. I tried it for the first time and I really love how it turned out. So you cannot see the lines after you color. So I'm pretty new to no line coloring. I think this might be my third time trying it. And I found it easy to kind of outline the image with your darkest color and then work from darkest to lightest when I'm doing this no line coloring technique. So also I take a black Copic safe marker to fill in the features of the face, like the eyes and the eyebrows, because they will get lost in the coloring. It does stand out really nicely when you use the black marker, and I think it looks really good. So what I'm going to do is play some music so you can watch the coloring, and then I'll meet you on the other side. Sorry, a lot of that was out of frame, so I just showed you just a little snapshot of what the no line coloring looks like. So I hope you guys give that a try. It's really fun. So here we have our shaker all completed. So all we have to do is add that to our card base. So I'll use some liquid adhesive for that. So we'll press our card base into place. Make sure that's nice and straight. Then we will work on creating our little scene here. Okay, that completes my card. Isn't it super cute? So it's got little shaker elements. I love the little circle peekaboo windows, and you can make that with any of your circle stack dies. So I think that is awesome because it represents like bubbles in the sea. So I really like that. And then we've got you are mermazing and be magical for the sentiment. And let me bring you in close up so you could see the no line coloring. It just looks so cute. It does take some time getting used to because there's no lines, but if you do it more and more, it gets easier and easier. I have found that to be the case. So we have a large area to write a sentiment on the inside. So thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!